This is such a dream come true. I remember playing the Seedling stage in 2022 and Belgium know how to look after artists, so yeah, thank you for having me back. This next one, there's only one important line to know and it's "Let's Get Love Lost," and that's it. This one's called Love Lost. I've been stuck inside for days, wasting summer nights, way too busy sleeping. What? I've spent a lifetime in the past, but if I ever get back, well, I still need it. Well, I still need it. I need a master plan. I need to find a way out. Hoping you'll take my hand. Let's get lost between the lines and dive too deep into November skies. If we've only got tonight, let's disappear into each other's eyes. Let's get love lost. Let's get love lost. You're the only thing I see, so keep crashing over me. I love the feeling. There's a recklessness to this, a taste of chaos worth the risk. I believe it, I believe it. I don't need a master plan, I don't need to find a way out. Now that I've got your hand, let's get lost between the lines and dive too deep into November skies. If we've only got tonight, let's disappear into each other's eyes. Let's get love lost. Let's get love lost. So if we can just keep on closing the distance, we're never gonna live like there's something we're missing. Finally it feels like the future's unwritten. There's nothing in our way, just say it'll never change. Let's get lost between the lines and dive too deep into November skies. If we've only got tonight, let's disappear into Inverness skies. Let's get love lost. I'm gonna hold on to this feeling. Let's get love lost, 'cause I don't wanna let you go. Let's get love lost. Do you really need a reason? Let's get love lost, love lost. Oh. Thank you so much.